If your name or case details are appearing on CaseMine.com, it can be damaging to your privacy and reputation. The good news? CaseMine does offer ways to remove or de-index court records tied to your name. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to request removal from CaseMine, what to do if your case isn't sealed, and how to get it off Google faster. If your case has been sealed or expunged, removal is straightforward. Email support@casemine.com and include your full name, the CaseMine URL, your relationship to the case, and proof that it's been sealed or expunged. CaseMine usually processes sealed case removals within 7 business days. If your record isn't sealed, full removal isn't guaranteed, but you can still request it. Email support@casemine.com. Include your full name and the case URL, and explain how the record harms your privacy or reputation, especially if it involves sensitive issues like divorce or custody disputes, harassment, or stalking. In most circumstances, CaseMine will add a noindex tag to the page to prevent it from being included in search results and minimize the harm it might be causing. Once CaseMine removes or de-indexes your case, Google can take time to catch up. Use Google's outdated content tool to speed that up. Check the description for a link to the tool. If CaseMine rejects your request, keeps the record live, or your case isn't eligible to be sealed, you still have options. This is where working with a reputation management company can make a huge difference. They can take a more experienced approach to removal, or push your CaseMine record down in search results. Our team at Guaranteed Removals removed over 1,300 harmful court records for our clients in 2024 alone. If you need help removing or suppressing court records from CaseMine, click the link in the description and get started today.